experiment from the Frightful First Experiments kit
by Gout
on their Horrible Science range. We're stuck in Science Towers. We're doing pretty well though.
Yeah.
I mean, we're on experiment 10.
Oh, how many are there?
I don't know, I think there might have been 18.
There's still 8 more to go.
Yeah, well, we haven't even finished this one yet, so there's 9 more to go. And as usual, we've got a note. Would you like me to read it?
Yes.
So this says, Experiment 10, Miss Perkins, walk on water. She says, the flying ghost experiment was epic. Oh. It was epic. I like that one a lot.
Yeah.
If you haven't seen that one, science fans, go back and see the flying ghost one. That was really cool. Here's your jigsaw piece.
Well, let me just see if it fits somewhere. Oh, I think it fits here.
Brilliant.
Yes.
Yeah, we need to get in the picture now.
Yeah.
So let's see how you get on with the next one. Ha ha ha.
Should we check out what she's like?
Well, I think we found out about Miss Perkins before, didn't we? But we could try again. We can, because it was a little while ago. So Miss Perkins. Miss Perkins.
Does she like cats?
Oh, I'm not sure.
Miss Perkins.
Oh yeah, Miss Perkins. She's a chemistry teacher. She's a keen experimenter who will try anything once. She hates the headmaster, whom she doesn't get on with, especially after she blew up the chemistry lab.
Ah, that's a problem.
And she enjoys eating chocolate and dancing at school discos.
Is she a child?
Well, no, she's Miss Perkins.
Okay.
So, oh, now I've lost my space. Right, so this one's called Walk on Water. So what we need for this one is a paperclip.
Checkity check.
A bowl of water. We're going to use our Petri dish. Yeah. Some water, obviously, to go in the bowl, and some washing up liquid. New washing up liquid. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour the water in the Petri dish.
Okay.
Which I'll do because you've been making rather a mess lately.
Why?
Right, there we go.
Because I'm mad?
Well, because you're clumsy. I don't know about mad. Right, now, I want you to gently place the paperclip onto the top of the water so that it floats.
Oh. Is that what's happening?
Try again.
Okay. Is it not meant to float?
It will float.
One more. Oh. Is it because it's cold?
No. Because you got your finger in it. So what you want to try and do, let me see if I can do it. It is quite tricky. It does even say it took me a few attempts in the instructions. So let's just let the water settle down a minute.
Oh! Okay.
Not very easy.
No, it isn't. It really isn't. Yeah?
Mhm. You can see it when it's done it because it's sort of like a bubble inside. Right, let me try.
But
I'm going to try one more time and then it's going to be an epic fail.
We're going to call in quits soon. A knife?
See whatever kitchen implements we could use.
Shall I actually go see?
No, I don't think a knife's going to help us. Right. Because what you don't want really is for the spoon to touch the surface.
But you said I wasn't close enough to the surface.
Yeah, we want the paperclip to touch the surface, but not the spoon. Oh, nearly.
Wait, that's a bubble. That's a bubble.
Oh!
Science fans.
I'm going to call this an epic fail.
Yeah.
So
throw in the towel.
Throw in the towel. I don't think that'll help. What if we go sideways?
Oh, Mum. Okay, fine, try. Wait, it's not an epic fail yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, well, we tried.
I don't know how this one could actually work.
So,
wait, I just want to try one more thing.
What it should have been was surface tension, right? So, in water, all the atoms in water, all the oxygen atoms want to sort of snuggle up with all the other hydrogen and oxygen. Or what?
No, I'm just saying, oh God, they want to huggle up.
So you can see it as you're doing it. It's you're sort of bending the surface tension. Can you see?
Yeah. But it's just sometimes the paperclip just
But you can't get the paperclip to float. So yeah, so that should have been surface tension. And then what would have happened had we got it to float? If we'd have put a drop of this in, it would have made it sink. But we're making it sink all by ourselves.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, science fans, we're going to call this one an epic
We can
fail.
still rate it.
So what are we going to rate it?
Can I tell you the truth? The absolute truth. I don't think I've used this one yet. Poop.
1.
Yeah. We're going to give this a solid 1!
A 1. And unfortunately, we just can't get it to work. And this is the paperclip that was provided in the kit.
Yeah, so
right, so it's not even like it's a defective paperclip. It is the paperclip that was in the kit. We just can't get it to I don't know if steering will help.
I don't know why. Okay.
We'll see you next time on Science Time with Dr. Laura and
Ellie.
Go and check us out on YouTube.
Yeah.
And if you like what we're doing, go and like and
Subscribe.
Bye for now.